Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the inaccessible boot device error in Windows. This error appears when Windows can't access the drive it needs to start. It's often triggered by recent updates, storage driver issues, or corrupted files. We'll work through a clear set of fixes, starting with simple checks and moving toward recovery tools, so try each step and then attempt a normal reboot. First, check the physical connections. Power off your PC completely and disconnect it from power. If you're using a desktop, open the case and make sure the data and power cables to your hard drive or SSD are firmly seated on both ends. A loose cable is a common and easy to miss cause. Next, adjust BIOS or UEFI settings. Power on and press the key your system uses to enter setup, such as F2, F12, or delete. Look for storage or SATA configuration. If the SATA mode is set to RAID or IDE, switch it to AHCI, save, and restart. If it was already AHCI, try temporarily changing it to RAID or another option, reboot once, then switch it back to AHCI and reboot again. While you're there, confirm the boot order lists your Windows drive first. If Windows still won't load, open the Windows recovery environment and run Startup Repair from Advanced Options. This automated tool can resolve many boot configuration problems. Let it finish, it may restart several times. If Startup Repair doesn't help, open Command Prompt from the recovery environment and run checkdisk (f)rc. This scans for and repairs disk errors and bad sectors. It can take a while, allow it to reach 100% without interruption. After that, from the same command prompt, repair system files by running sfc-scan now. When it completes, run dism, online, cleanup image, restore health to restore component health. These tools address corrupted or missing Windows files. An internet connection can help dism fetch healthy files. If the error started right after a Windows update, go back to the recovery options and uninstall the latest quality update or the latest feature update. This can roll back a problematic patch. If you created a restore point before the issue began, use System Restore to return Windows to a known good state. Your personal files remain, but recent system changes are undone. As a last resort, reset your PC from the recovery environment. Choose Keep My Files to preserve documents, but note that installed applications will be removed. Finally, if you can reach safe mode, run a full malware scan and update critical drivers, especially storage controller drivers. Outdated or compromised drivers can prevent Windows from seeing your boot device. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.